Hi, welcome to Accounting 1. I'm Professor Kojima. This is Accounting 1, Corporate Financial Accounting, Section 12240 at East Los Angeles College for spring 2021. For those of you who are new to the college and have not taken a Canvas course before, I'm going to take you through a little tour of our Canvas site and as well as the syllabus, how to access your textbook, and I'll go through a couple of other things that are within the module itself. For those of you who are new in terms of taking an accounting course, and I believe all of you would be in that category because this is Accounting 1, I welcome you, and hopefully that I will be able to help you navigate your way through this particular course. So let's begin. One, let me show you the tabs in here in your Canvas course. And if you notice in here, we have the home button and we are in the home page. We will have announcements, and when I make announcements, they will be sent out to you. You just click on that page, and here you'll notice in here the welcome to the course and the information on how to contact me, but more importantly, the fact that all of the announcements will be given to you through this announcements page, and email will also be sent to you with that information. The assignments page right here, or the assignments tab, you click that on and you can access in all of the assignments. So you'll notice that the examinations, the final examinations, and these will all be taken on Canvas. The homework assignments, on the other hand, will be done on Cengage Now. And so you'll notice in here that we have all of the chapter assignments by due dates, as well as the extra credit assignments that I will issue for the course, and I have actually issued them. And there will be, I believe, 10 extra credit assignments. So you can earn 50 additional points counting toward your grade by completing the extra credit assignment. By the way, the extra credit assignment is a pretest and that will prepare you for taking the actual examination. All right, so I encourage you to take these pretests. There will be a pretest posted up this week for the Chapter 1 and 2 exams. So before taking the actual exam, I'm going to issue a pretest so that you'll be comfortable with the examination. Going on in here, and you press the discussions tab. There are 10 discussions. Again, if you have any questions regarding the course, you can post your question here, and then the 10 questions in chronological order are listed in here. The syllabus, which is the most important thing, in the syllabus tab, you'll see that there are assignments listed by due dates. So you'll see that on Sunday, February 14th, what is your role in accounting? That will be due. So that will be due on Sunday, the 14th, which is in a week. On February 21st, the first assignment is due, as well as the extra credit. On February 28th, the Chapter 2 assignment, as well as the extra credit, a discussion question on debits and credits, and the exam will be due at that time. All right, so you can find all of this information in the course summary on the syllabus page. But let me go ahead, and if you wanted to preview the syllabus, you can by just clicking on the preview. And let me go through this. We start out with a diversity and inclusion statement, and so this is so that all students know that you're encouraged to participate and speak up during the semester, and that our college, as well as this class, will respect everyone's individual beliefs, backgrounds, and experiences, and show respect to every other member in the class. All right, so that is very important. Moving on, we have the course description and the course objectives. And so You can read all of these things. If you have any issues and questions about the course objectives, please contact me and I'll help you understand that. Regarding the learning outcomes, at the end of the course, you should be able to analyze and record financial transactions. You should be able to prepare and analyze year-end adjustments using a worksheet. You should be able to analyze data and prepare the 4 basic financial statements of a sole proprietorship and a corporation. And then we're going to go through each chapter. We will have questions related to the financial ratios. There is a chapter that includes all of the ratios, but we're going to cover them as we go through the chapters as they relate to and pertain to that particular chapter. And then also complete a term project, which will be just another similar to a homework assignment, but it's a cumulative homework assignment, all right? The textbook, this is the most important thing. If you go to our student store and purchase the textbook, it's $70 plus tax, and it includes the Cengage access code. Now again, the exams are taken on Canvas here in our course. However, the homework assignments and the extra credit will be done on Cengage now. And I'll show you how that looks, or what it looks like, and the instructions in order to get to the course will be, I'll go over that in a second, and as well as the author, or the publisher rather, has support hours for students, so you can join in between the hours of 12 and 2, beginning on February 8th and lasting until February 19th. And if you just click on this link and go on to the Zoom site for Cengage, and there's somebody there on their team to help you register and get activated. Now, the important thing is you don't have to pay any money for the first 2 weeks. And I advise you just to do the trial access so that you can start doing the homework and get comfortable with the course, all right? And then when you're ready to, you enter in the access code. Now, the access code, if you're purchasing the book on campus, the access code comes with the textbook. But if you want a cheaper option, and this is the one I prefer, is $49.95 for the ebook and Cengage access code. And to get that access code, if you just go to this particular site, let me go ahead and copy this link. Let me see here. Open link in a new well, I'll open the link right now. And there's the link, Introductory Accounting 1. Ignore this right here. When you're ready to buy it, if you're going to take the $49.95 option, go all the way down here, and you'll see it in here, $49.95. All right? So again, if you want to buy it from Cengage, there's a $69.61, which is a little cheaper with free shipping. That's a little cheaper than at the student store, and that is if you want a loose leaf book. You can either buy it at the student store for $70, or you can buy it from Cengage for $69.61 with free shipping. However, the cheapest option is this, where you'll buy it and get the ebook for $49.95 as well as the Cengage Now platform. Okay, so let me go back into our course. So that's that, and again, let me go back into our syllabus so that we can see back to where I was with respect to the course. And so again, how did I get to that? Well, just copy and paste this into your browser, this particular link, and it'll take you there, and that's how you access it. And I'll show you how to start to access the course without paying any money in a moment, all right? If you need financial aid, the financial aid office at our college, this is the number at the main campus, and the Southgate campus is here as well. If you want to go online, this is the email address, or the website rather, for financial aid, all right? Now, again, attendance, you must, even though this is an online course, we do expect you to log in regularly and also do the assignments when they're due. So if you don't participate in the class in terms of logging in, this is an issue that could cause problems that ultimately will lead to having you drop from the course. So make sure that you do attend and that you observe all of the homework assignment due dates as well as the examination due dates. All right, this is about cheating, which I know none of you will cheat, but I want to make sure that you understand that these are all considered to be academic dishonesty, and you would be getting, if you were caught cheating, you would be, your examination score will receive a 0 for that particular exam that you're caught cheating, all right? Now, there are 4 chapter exams, and they are going to be proctored through Proctorio. However, most people will argue that, well, I don't have a webcam and so on and so forth. Webcam is not required. I'm not visually seeing you in there. The only use of Proctorio is so that we have a lockdown browser where you can't open up any other windows while you're taking the exam. Make sure you follow the instructions as far as you must have this on Google Chrome, and so you need to access in the Google Chrome browser, and then once you have that in, you'll be ready to go, all right? There will be 5 chapter exams from chapters 1 through 10. The final exam will be from June 1 through June 7th. So in other words, I will leave the final exam open for 1 week in order for you to take it at a time that's more convenient for you. Each chapter exam will be open for 1 week, so that also is for your convenience. So I give you a window so that if you're working or you have other classes that would conflict, you will have an open window of 1 week during the week that the exam is due. Each chapter exam is worth 100 points. Homework assignments are worth 130. There's 10 discussion questions that are worth 50 points. So the project is worth 50. So the total points that you can earn is 880. So if you want an A, it's 90% of 80. The more important number is 70% of 880 to pass. So make sure that you're making or equal or exceeding at least 70% of the total points for the class, all right? Tutoring, I highly encourage that you contact the Student Learning Center if you need help. They do have accounting tutors. If you need tutoring, I do offer tutoring services on the weekend. There's no charge for that. If you're interested in that, you need to send me an email to let me know that you would be interested in attending a tutoring session, and I will send you a Zoom link for that so that the tutoring sessions generally last about 2 hours. I can go over homework assignments, I can go over exams with you, any other issues that you might have with this particular course, all right? We do have a DSPS office, and there's some other information about that at the end of this particular syllabus. So I want to make sure that you, if you do have some issue so that you need accommodations, for instance, more exam time, or if you wanted to have it proctored at the DSPS office, we can also have that arranged. So you need to contact the DSPS office, and they will contact with me to provide you with accommodations, okay? Going on, these are the important due dates. One of the things I want to make sure that you understand in here is that May 9th is the last day to drop. You'll not be able to complete this course because after that date, I have to give you a grade. So make sure that you drop the course before May 9th if you are not passing this course. Otherwise, if you are on the roster after that date, I will have to give you a grade, all right? The coursework here Now, it's in the syllabus, and it's also here. It's in the syllabus page where all of the assignments and exams that are due are listed right here on the syllabus page. But also within the syllabus, I have a projected chapter work and exams also listed. And so you'll notice in here the date of the exam, and then when the date of the assignments that will be due. So pay particular attention to this. I would print this out, keep this with on your desk so that you know exactly when the assignments are due. All right. Finally, for those of you who are interested in our academic pathways, the career and academic pathways, I've listed some sites in here where you can go to look at the career and academic pathway site. And so if you just click on the ELAC website, this should get you into the website for the academic maps. Here, if you click this on, will take you to academic counseling. And if you're interested about career and job services, you click this one and it'll take you to our career and job service counselor. All right. Finally, other resources that you need to help you succeed in this particular course, I've listed the counseling department, the Dream Resource Center, the DSPS office that I spoke of previously, our EOPS office, which is our Equal Opportunity Educational Opportunity Center. So you can contact them here. And then also financial aid. If you need help with the California Dream App application, a FAFSA application, and so here are the two sources, and click these on and that will take you directly there. All right, the Health Center is also listed, the Learning Center, the library, the Hoviness Inc., which is our college success initiative, are all listed there, and the Reading and Writing Center, and then our Transfer Center and our Title IX office, as well as the Veterans Resource Center. So with that, I'm going to go on one more thing, and that's to show you exactly how to get to the assignments. So if you're interested in starting to do the assignment, which I highly recommend doing this, don't wait until the end of the week or before it's due. Log in now and get this done. Click this on for the first assignment. When you click this on, it'll take you to the registration page so you can link your Canvas site to the Cengage Now site. All right, so I'm going to show you what it looks like. It's not going to, I'm already registered, so you won't see this, but when I click that on, after you have registered and linked your Canvas site to Cengage Now, you will see the first assignment come up. And I'm going to show you a couple of things here. You click on here, and it says Start Assignments. And so you'll notice in here, the assignments are in here. There's different questions in here. Now, one of the reasons why I use Cengage is that they have a Show Me How video. Many of these questions will have a Show Me How video, all right? So, for instance, for question number 3, Show Me How, you click that on, and it will take you to a video, and it'll explain to you how to do that particular assignment. Of course, we do have lectures.
In this exercise, we look at transactions of the Salvo delivery service to understand the...
Okay, so that's that. And of course, in the course, there are lectures for each assignment. So let me go back in here to the home page. If you go into the modules will have, for instance, the, oops, this one should not, let me see. This should be, okay. So there are videos related to the chapter. Here's a chapter 1 lecture. Just click that on. You'll see that a video will come on.
Have to have and behave
in standards. In the United States, there is an organization called the. Okay, so that's me lecturing, and how do you find that? Well, again, go back into the modules. Once you go into the modules, you'll see that. And again, here, chapters 1 and 2, weeks 1 and 2, you'll have chapter 1. I have some other videos up here in addition to the lecture video, so you're welcome to watch that as well. The assignment, you can click that on here, or you can go on through the assignments page. The extra credit for the is there as well. Going into week number 3, you have 4 lecture videos related to analyzing transactions, and then there's this one, which again, most students have difficulty understanding what debits and credits are. So this will be a video on debits and credits that I made, so you can go ahead and watch that particular video.
Hi, my name is Professor Kojima.
Okay, so hopefully, there should be enough resources in the course to help you get through this and be successful. Again, if you're having difficulties, please contact me through the inbox. Otherwise, if it's not through the inbox, you can send an email to me at kojimask@elac.edu. That information is in the syllabus as far as my contact information. The inbox is right here, and you can send me an email, and I check my inbox daily, and you should get a response either the same day or no later than 24 hours later. All right, so again, welcome to the course. I hope you have a very, very successful semester, and please be sure to contact me if you need help. I'm here to help you get through this particular course. All right, so I'm looking forward to meeting with you sometime during the semester through Zoom or through email. Thanks.